How to fix Minecraft Bedrock failed to launch error. Welcome back to Teknobalta. If you have recently formatted your computer and noticed that Minecraft Java works perfectly, while the Bedrock Edition completely fails to launch, you are not alone. Our team investigated this exact startup failure and found that repeatedly reinstalling the game from the Windows Store or the official website does not resolve the root cause. We also confirmed that simply deleting the local Minecraft installation folders will not fix this stubborn launch error. During our analysis, we confirmed that the core issue stems from a broken communication link between the unified launcher and the Windows Store backend. The standard launcher often fails to trigger the mandatory initialization packages required for Bedrock. We tested multiple deployment methods to bypass this glitch and successfully restore functionality. The first and most effective step we discovered requires completely ignoring the default Minecraft launcher on your desktop. Instead of opening the primary hub, you must interact directly with the native Windows installation shortcut. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the central Start menu interface. Look specifically for the recently added Applications section at the top of your Start menu. You need to locate the standalone icon labeled exactly as Minecraft for Windows, rather than the generic launcher icon. Clicking this direct application shortcut bypasses the broken launcher routing entirely. When we executed the game through this specific Windows shortcut, the system immediately recognized a missing core dependency. The operating system will seamlessly download one final required initialization package in the background. After this brief download completes, the Bedrock Edition will finally launch correctly without any error prompts. If the game still struggles to open, our testing showed that a corrupted Microsoft Store cache is often the secondary culprit. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to bring up the Run dialog box. Type WSReset.exe and press Enter to force a complete clearance of all temporary store data. A blank command prompt window will appear during this reset process and automatically close once the cache is completely purged. We recommend waiting for the Microsoft Store to automatically reopen, signaling that the network cache has been successfully rebuilt. Once the store loads, attempt to launch the game from the Start menu again. In scenarios where the direct shortcut fails, we found that repairing the launcher's installation files provides a solid fallback solution. Navigate to your Windows Settings menu and select the Apps section to view all installed software. Locate the Minecraft launcher in this list, click on the Advanced options, and select the Repair button to fix corrupted directories. Should the repair function prove insufficient, we advise utilizing the Reset button located directly beneath it in the Advanced Options menu. This action entirely wipes the local configuration data for the launcher, returning it to a factory fresh state. You will need to sign back into your Microsoft account after performing this deep reset. Our team also verified that missing Xbox dependencies will silently block Bedrock from launching. Open the Microsoft Store and manually search for the Xbox Identity Provider application. If the store indicates it is not installed, download it immediately, as Bedrock relies heavily on this background service for profile authentication. Additionally, outdated gaming services framework files are notorious for causing launch failures on Windows 10 machines. To address this, right-click the Windows Start button and open Windows PowerShell with administrative privileges. We utilized a specific command string to force an update check for these critical gaming services. In the elevated PowerShell window, type the command to execute a complete installation of the gaming services package. This forces Windows to overwrite any corrupted backend gaming files that might be preventing the game executable from running. Restart your machine after this script finishes to apply the underlying registry changes. We also investigated hardware limitations, specifically regarding operating system compatibility. Some systems with older processors cannot upgrade to Windows 11, which forces them to remain on Windows 10 architectures. We confirmed that applying all pending cumulative updates for Windows 10 is absolutely mandatory for stable Bedrock execution on older hardware. Another critical step we perform involves clearing out residual local application data that survives standard uninstallations. Press the Windows and R keys, type %localappdata%, and hit Enter to open the hidden system directory. Navigate to the Packages folder and locate the Microsoft Minecraft UWP directory to manually delete its cached contents. Network restrictions imposed by the Windows Defender firewall can also trigger a launch failure sequence. Open your Windows Security dashboard and navigate to the Firewall and Network Protection menu. Click on the option to allow an app through the firewall, ensuring that Minecraft for Windows has both private and public network access enabled. During our connectivity tests, we discovered that desynchronized system clocks will instantly fail the Xbox Live handshake required for Bedrock. Right-click the time display on your taskbar and select the Adjust Date and Time configuration panel. Toggle the setting to set time automatically off, and then back on to force an immediate server synchronization. If your account credentials have become corrupted, completely signing out of the Microsoft Store is our recommended next step. Open the Store application, click on your profile icon at the top right, and select the Sign Out option. Restart your computer before signing back in to establish a completely fresh authentication token. For users utilizing third-party antivirus software, we strongly suggest temporarily disabling real-time protection shields. We have observed that overzealous security heuristics occasionally flag Bedrock's background package deployment as a false positive threat. If the game launches successfully with the antivirus disabled, add the Minecraft executable to your software's exclusion list. As a final application-specific measure, we recommend verifying the integrity of the Xbox application itself, which acts as a companion to the game. Navigate to the Windows settings, access the Apps menu, and locate the Xbox application to perform a quick repair. Ensuring both the Store and the Xbox app are functioning perfectly provides the best environment for Bedrock. To ensure your entire system remains stable and prevents future launch errors, we strongly recommend running a full system file integrity check. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type sfc/scannow before hitting Enter. This vital maintenance step scans your entire operating system and automatically repairs any corrupted core Windows files that could disrupt gaming processes. Furthermore, maintaining updated graphics drivers is absolutely crucial for hardware rendering stability in modern titles. Visit the official website for your GPU manufacturer, whether it is NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download their latest official driver package. Performing a clean installation of these display drivers will resolve hidden graphical conflicts and significantly improve your overall system performance. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.